yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I'm Kayla, and I thank you for stopping by. I know there's tons of Vlogmases out there this month, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch mine. So, this month, I've been doing a yarn ball swap with Terri at Yarnjoy Podcast. I sent her 25 balls, and she sent me 25 balls in little baggies. And each day we're opening a baggie and adding them to a rectangle scrappy blanket. And so my blanket is turning out beautiful. I love, love, love that yellow and the way that red and yellow just pop there. I love it. And the yellow almost went all the way around. This is where I started with it, and that's where I ended. So it almost met. But the purpose of it being a scrappy blanket, Terri and I did different size yarn balls so that it wouldn't end and stop in the same place every time. And so it's good that it didn't go all the way around. But anyway, it's beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. Here's the whole blanket. As you can see, I'm on the short side. After this month, I'm going to continue adding scrap balls of my own so that I can get it up to the size that I want it. I don't know what size I want it, but I'll know I'm done with it when I'm done with it. But today is Vlogmas Day 18. So let's see what color ball I'm going to add to it tonight. Ooh! Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at that. Lime green. You see that lime green? That will be added right on top of this red. And then it will go on top of the yellow. That will be beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm just loving this project so much. Every day the color is just a sweet surprise. And I just love that. Now I'm on day 18. I know today is not the 18th. Today is more like the 20-something, getting close to Christmas. But I'm going to continue to open my little baggies until I reach day 25. So just because Christmas Day hits, I'll still be opening my baggies because I'm about, 3 days behind or so. I don't know exactly. But I'm still just going to continue opening my baggies until I get them done. So don't forget about me after December the 25th. But anyway, I love this project. Oh gosh, it's just a wonderful project. I love the look of the scrappy blanket. So I'm going to find me something to watch tonight and put that in. Oh, I have some Christmas cards. I have a card from Carla. It says Christmas greetings. I love, love, love the poinsettias. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much for thinking of me and sending a card, Carla. Let's see. Then I have one from Dora. Thank you. And it's a sweet nativity card. And I do love nativities. Thank you so much for that. You might hear the cat running around chasing a toy. He's got a ball or something that he's chasing. And then I have a card from Melissa. And this is a beautiful red cardinal. Peace and love. It starts with peace and joy. Peace and love, a red cardinal. Red cardinals are my fave. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And I know my family appreciates it too. Everybody looks at the cards. So I have them on my yarn cabinet, and our bathroom is right past the yarn cabinet. And so everybody looks at the cards as they go to the restroom many times a day. So that is my blanket and cards. And so tonight I thought I would add a clip and show you our Christmas tree and Christmas decorations, the extent of our Christmas decorations. So you'll see our tree and some of Dakota's Christmas villages in various places. And this is a tree. This is Dakota's tree. He decorated it. He's the only one that decorates tree. And so this is in our living room. So I'm going to be sharing a clip of that. And I hope you enjoy. And I'll see you all again very soon. Come back and see what color day 19 color is. What color ball day 19 will be. Thanks, guys.